Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel MomGudy Days. I'm so excited to start this whole new series of makeup, and these episodes are going to be super quick, easy and awesome hacks. So subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of this. So let's get started. In the first episode of today, we're going to see how to turn a glossy lipstick into a matte lipstick. Lipstick which I'm wearing currently, I love this shade except for the fact that it is glossy. What shall we do? So we have a trick to turn it into matte. So all you need is just lipstick and a powder. You can use a loose powder or you can also use a baby powder. I'm using the baby powder today. I'm going to show you because this has got white in color. So if it is white in color, so there'll be not much of a change in the shade. All you have to do is take a little powder, dab it on your lipstick. That's it. It's going to be super matte and transfer proof. Do you see that? Wow! Isn't that easy and super quick? And it's also transfer proof. Case proof. I hope you really liked the video. In the next episode, I'm going to show you how to get that natural glow onto your face after the makeup. So stay tuned and wait for the second episode. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit on the subscribe button and also the bell icon beside so that you don't miss any of this. Bye bye.